Body Enhancing Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to do a dumbbell front squat. You're going to pick up your weights, keep them on the side of your body with your palms facing forward, similar to a hammer curl position. Your feet are shoulder width apart. You're going to bend at the knees and hinge your hips so that the crease of your hips lowers past your knees. When you get to the bottom, hold it for a second, then drive up through your heels. To show you from the side, again, feet shoulder width apart, dumbbells on the side of your body, bend your knees, make sure your crease of your hip comes down, drive up with your heels. As an alteration for the dumbbell front squat, instead of holding your dumbbells at your side, you can choose to hold them up at your shoulder. The lower body movement is not any different. Bend at your knees, make sure that your hip crease is lower than your knees, drive up through your hips. Dumbbell front squat.